How to sign up on FxPro. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. In this video, we will be learning how you can easily get started and sign up for FxPro account. First of all, open the FxPro app or website, and once you're inside this welcome screen, click on Register with FxPro. On the next page, select your country of residence and enter a valid email address. Once you are done, on the next field, enter a password for yourself, including the criteria in the pop-up. Finally, click on Register at the bottom, and then you can enable the notification so that you can receive alerts for profile status, transactions, and market news by tapping on Turn On. If you don't want to do that, just tap on Not Now, and on the next page, enter your personal details such as your name, last name, date of birth, and phone number, and tap on Next Step. Now, select your country and click on the next step again. Select your employment status, answer some of the questions, and once you are done, enter your annual income and your estimated net worth excluding your primary residence. After filling in all of these info, you'll be able to start using the FxPro account. To fund your account, tap on Fund Now and select the payment method. Enter your payment method information, deposit your amount from your chosen payment method, and answer all of the information, follow through the on-screen step, and you'll be able to finish off your account creation. Explore the platform slowly and make sure to start with a demo account if you are new. It is always smart to practice before trading with real money. To create a demo account, scroll down from the home page and select Demo and click on Create Demo Account and follow through the instructions. So that's how you complete your sign up for FxPro. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.